guys, what's going on? So, greetings from Cannon Beach, Oregon. I'm here by the lovely beach, and check out what I just made. I'm going to show you how to make the world's famous paper airplane, but from a square sheet of kami instead of a sheet of printer paper. And this is how it flies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 7-inch square of kami. Alright, so for this airplane I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. And if you're using a sheet of printer paper, then skip to this point. Okay, so I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami, so begin right side up and fold in half. Alright. And now unfold and fold to the crease, and just make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. Like that. And now fold this edge to these 2 crease marks. And this time you can fold all the way across. Like that. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, just like this. So here we have our printer paper dimension right here. And now we're just going to go ahead and make the airplane. So let's make the famous paper airplane fold. So fold this edge to the crease, like this. And repeat on this side also. Okay, and then now fold this up. And just fold it up about this much. You want to go beyond these edges right here. Just about like that, just about a centimeter right there. And make sure that this point aligns with this crease. Like that. Okay, and now fold this edge and this edge to the crease again. So another paper airplane fold. Right here too. Alright. And then now, zoom in, and take this point and fold it up right over the edge like that. Okay? And now let's mount and fold the whole thing in half like this. Just like this. Alright, now let's make the wings. So fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and turn over and fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and voila, here it is. Here is the famous paper airplane from a square sheet of kami. And yeah. And alright, let's see how this sucker flies. Alright, so here it is, and to fly it, you just hold it like this, just like a paper airplane. And here it goes. Oh yeah. And again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and fly it all the way across the hotel room. Oh, I just nailed the TV. Holy cow. Alright, hope you guys like that, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.